All right, class, so we've just finished rinsing the soil off the roots of our plants with our science partners and looking at them with a magnifying glass. Now we're going to go and talk about the rest of the parts of the plant. So the roots, which we just looked at, the roots are the system of a plant that holds the plant in place and consistently provides the stems and leaves with water and dissolved minerals. Now that we know the roots, we had John draw a picture of the plant on the board, and we're going to label the parts. So we know the roots. Can anybody tell me what this part of the plant is? Yep, thank you, Jen. Correct. That is the stem. And how about these? Thank you, Tim. Yep, those are the leaves. And as a class, because I know everybody knows this part, yep, flower. So, as we just talked about, the parts of a plant are the flower, the leaves, the stem, and the roots. The stem carries water and food to the roots and the leaves. It also holds the leaves up to get energy from the sun. The leaves are food factory for the plant. They make the water and minerals from the soil and combine it with sunlight energy and carbon dioxide from the air to make food for the plant. The oxygen cycle. We're going to talk about this a little bit later. It's very important, but with the oxygen cycle, animals breathe out carbon dioxide to give to the plants, and plants give off oxygen for us to breathe in. So it completes the whole circle. Flowers. Flowers make fruit and seeds. Flowers are part of the reproductive system of the plant. The petals on the flowers attract bees and other pollinators. So now we're going to listen to a 2-minute song here about parts of a plant. And then afterwards, you guys are going to go back to your desks and you're going to do your own drawing in your science notebooks of the parts of a plant. And then you're going to label it.
Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Each part of a plant has a job to do. Show me each part as you sing this tune. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. The flower looks so beautiful, and it makes the seeds that start a new plant. But the petals look pretty for a reason, you see. They attract pollinators like birds or bees. The stem is the part in the middle, and it moves water up to the rest of the plant. Through the stem that water flows, it's like a straw. Watch it go. The leaves on a plant help it to breathe, and they make the air cleaner for you and me. Get set for a big word. You ready for this? They make food for the plant through photosynthesis. The roots hold the plant down into the ground. Underneath in the soil is where they are found. They soak up water and minerals there. They absorb stuff with their little root hairs. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Each part of a plant has a job to do. Show me each part as you sing this tune. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. The flower creates the seeds. Pretend you're a flower with me. The stem is like a straw. Pretend you're a stem, real tall. Leaves, they make the food. Now pretend you're doing photosynthesis, all of you. The roots anchor the plant. Hold it down tight like I know you can. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Each part of a plant has a job to do. Show me each part as you sing this tune. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots.